Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the traffic alerts in the 24Me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the Smart Alerts button. And at the Location Services section, you will see the Traffic Alerts mode. So just click it on to enable it. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.